Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to make it stiff and you're going to remove the bangs and bow and you're going to make it this color. Combine it with this hairstyle, you're going to make it no bangs and then you're going to make it this pink color. And then this hairstyle, you're going to choose only bangs and then make it the same pink color. And then for the accessory, you can put on this microphone and then you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color and also black. And then this necklace, make it black. And then for the shoes, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it like this. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to go to the Valentine's update item and I'm going to choose this top. This is from the VIP and I'm going to remove everything and I'm going to make it white and I'm going to make it glitter. And the next one, I'm going to go to this menu and put on the sleeves from the witch set and make it glitter. Okay, and then for the color, I'm going to make it white. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the petal update and I'm going to put on this item. This is also from the VIP and I'm going to color it with this color and then make it glitter. Okay, done. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this item and I'm going to make it white. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this jeans. And for this jeans, I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the VIP room. Oops, before there, I'm going to go to this top area and put on this top and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to go to the VIP room and from the VIP room, I'm going to put on this skirt and then I'm going to make it this color and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. I'm going to choose only pearl and we're going to make it this gold color. Okay, just make it gold for all the selection. Okay, now it's done guys and this is for the final result. Alright, and that's all the way to recreate Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.